Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to NCX Tech. Ubuntu 22.04 is the latest long-term support version of Ubuntu, and it comes with lots of good changes and other improvements. But it also comes with some bugs and issues. Some of the issues like the default buggy camera app and slow and frequently crashing snap packages. Most importantly, the default Firefox browser, which we already discussed on my previous videos. And also there's an issue that we can't launch AppImages on Ubuntu 22.04. So even if we make the AppImages executable, it fails to run them. And it's because Ubuntu 22.04 is missing one of the important library Fuse, that is Filesystem In Userspace. And because of this, we're not able to use AppImages. So let me show you. So here I have some AppImages which I have just downloaded this on Google Chromium browser and this Brave browser. So even if we make them executable, so as I double click on it, you can see that it fails to load this AppImage. And similarly for this Brave browser, even after making it executable, so we're not able to open it. To solve this, we have to install the leaf fuse. So for this, open terminal and then type sudo apt installed leaf fuse 2 and hit enter and sudo password. Okay, so now it's installed. Maybe it needs a restart. So let me log out and log in again. Okay, so after restart, so let me again open this. So as you can see that as I double click on this Brave browser AppImage, it will open without any issue. So let me test another AppImage. Let's say Stacer. Let's search for it. So there we have. Let's download this. Okay, so now it's downloaded, Stacer AppImage. So first let me make it executable from here and then double click on it. Okay, so there we have Stacer, and this is one of my favorite app for monitoring the system, and also we can use it as a system cleaner. So guys, in this way we can use AppImages in the latest Ubuntu 22.04. If you find this video useful, please like this video and do subscribe my channel and turn on notification for more Linux tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.